Prevalence, sensitization and intestinal parasitic infestation of vernal keratoconjunctivitis in school children of Kinshasa, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. By Leon Muamba Nakashma, David Kayembe Lubeji, and Mirele Solange Naganga Nakanga. Background: the World Health Organization's (WHO) considered the allergic disease as the fourth disease in the world after cancer, cardiovascular pathologies and aqueous immunosufficiency disease syndrome. Keratoconjunctivitis is also an area of concern across the globe as the vernal keratoconjunctivitis prevalence in Western Europe varies between 0.02% and 2.7% depending on the country in the year 2008. There is no study that estimates the prevalence of vernal keratoconjunctivitis and the association between vernal keratoconjunctivitis and intestinal parasitic infestation in our setting. This study aimed to estimate the vernal keratoconjunctivitis prevalence, to describe the profile of sensitization and to determine the association between vernal keratoconjunctivitis disease and intestinal parasitic infestation in school children of Kinshasa during the scholar year from 2020 to 2023. Methods: an observational, cross-sectional study was performed from September 2022 to June 2023. The children with vernal keratoconjunctivitis were recruited by using the four-stage probability sampling technique. Children attending in the school children of Kinshasa with vernal keratoconjunctivitis were enrolled in the classroom and underwent a clinical examination and skin prick test for 11 allergens and stool examination direct with microscope in the laboratory. Data was entered in Microsoft Sheets using SPSS version 20.0. The chi-square test was used to compare the sex, age groups, home environmental, grow trees and of flowers around the yard. Dampness in the house, keeping pets, cat and or dog, number of people per household, number of people sharing a bedroom and intestinal parasitic infestation. The significant level was set to a value of p less than 0.05. Results: a total of 28,800 students from four-stage probabilist sampling technique in school of Kinshasa were included, and 2,100 students had symptoms according to the vernal keratoconjunctivitis related symptom questionnaire. Children with vernal keratoconjunctivitis were enrolled and the mean age plus or minus standard was 7.2 plus or minus 3.7 years with a prevalence of 7.2% and gender was 3 boys for 1 girl. All vernal keratoconjunctivitis children recruited in urban and rural part had 33.1% positive skin prick test (SPT) and 67.9% showed polysensitization. Children in urban part was more sensitized than rural respectively with dermatophagoid stauronosinus 28.1% versus 28.9%, p is equal to 0.00001, Blomia tropicalis 15.9% versus 14.9%, p is equal to 0.00001 and cockroach 12% versus 13%, p is equal to 0.00001 in both parts. The result revealed that the children with vernal keratoconjunctivitis in urban part were more sensitized than children in the rural. Vernal keratoconjunctivitis children in rural part was more affected to intestinal parasite than urban with Ascaris lumbricoides 14% versus 18.3%, p is equal to 0.0006. Followed by Ankylostom duodenalis 9.5% versus 12.5%, p is equal to 0.003, Anguillule 7.9% versus 10.1%, p is equal to 0.001, Oxure 5.7% versus 8.2%, p is equal to 0.0001 and Tricharias trichiura 2.6% versus 3.3%. P is equal to 0.0009. Conclusion: this study outlines that the prevalence, of vernal keratoconjunctivitis was 7.2% and 33.1% of children attending for vernal keratoconjunctivitis. In school, children had a positive skin prick test too. At least one allergen, in particular for dermatophagoid styronicinus, Blomia tropicalis and cockroach. The most common intestinal parasitic infestation was Ascaris lumbricoides, Ankylostom duodenalis, Anguillule and Tricharias trichiura. Henceforth, vernal keratoconjunctivitis is a significant health issue in Africa, especially in school-aged children that needs to be managed effectively. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.